Hey guys, I got some comments on this Play-Doh Donut Maker about it just clicking, and I wanted to make a video just going over how to make it work. So you do want to get all of your parts clicked all the way into place. You need to make sure everything is lined up. So this here, make sure you have that lined up nice and tight and they're into each other because these are two separate parts. And then one of the biggest tricky things, I think this might be what's tricking people, is this little thing. It kind of like slides into place and it seems like it's fine, but you really need to like push it and pop it into place so that you hear it like snap. That's gonna like tell whatever gear's in there that it's ready to work. It's like more secure. So really like push it. You might need to like pound it in a little bit and hear the click and the snap in here. But make sure all your other stuff is in place too. I think that's the tricky part. And then you have your lid that needs to be in place too. So let me go ahead and put some dough in. You also want to make sure you put plenty of dough so you don't get a wimpy donut. And I just kind of like, I really squish it in to try and make it, I don't know, just catch, I guess. And then you click it into place. So this is all clicked in, this is all clicked all the way in, and that part is clicked in. And then you see it just works instead of making a clicky noise. And then when you turn it, the lid pops open and the donut, I didn't have the best angle for you guys with this, but the donut comes out the bottom there. It might not be like perfect, so you just want to kind of squish it a little bit to make it look prettier. You can do it again, you can do it, you know, maybe sometimes the bottom comes out nicer, and then you'll have the extra dough in the back. And you can also make the cruller shape if you want that one. I think that's what they call that. Has a different donut shape with more texture, but this is the classic donut. And then you can put it under here and get some little like frosting drizzles if you want that. That's kind of fun. I'm gonna assume maybe some of you have never seen this machine before, so I'll just walk through some of the features. It does like squish those out, and then it comes with the Play-Doh that has sprinkles already in it, which is fun. You can cut the silly strings off with the spatula, or do like different colors. You can have pink. I just have it kind of squished on there. It's harder to do it with one hand, but it's so much about like the kids' imagination anyway. But the other thing is it has a little latte cup, and it has a croissant squisher, and then it does have this shape for putting the donut frosting on top. See if I can get it. It's hard to do it with one hand. I do have a filming thing, but yeah, so I didn't squish it perfectly, but you can kind of see it has the little sprinkles on there, so you can put that on top and have your little chocolate donut. This is making me hungry even though it's not perfect. Yeah, it's just a fun little toy to play with. You know, if mom goes to the donut shop a lot, this is like a big special treat, and then they can make donuts at home. And yeah, it's just a cute toy. You can get very colorful with it. If you have other Play-Doh sets, you can of course use like your green Play-Doh and make some green donuts and whatever you want, but it does come with a lot of the basics that you would want or need. So I think it is very well designed, built, constructed. I love that it has the little sprinkles in the Play-Doh. That's really fun. But that is the tricky point, or the difficult thing for quite a few people. They're not getting all the parts clicked in, and then what happens is this thing turns and makes a clicking noise. So just make sure, especially this one I think might be the #1 problem, that people aren't pushing it in all the way, and really you don't just gently slide it into place. You need to like hear it snap. And then you'll have fun with your little donut maker and croissant maker and sprinkle maker and all the stuff, latte maker. So this is a nice little addition to any like food Play-Doh areas that you have. You can just add that on. You can add, they have a cash register. I'm gonna look at that one next. You can have like a whole, almost like a store at home, a little bakery store at home, which is awesome. I think this is such a cool, fun toy, but just make sure you really click everything into place.